Do you want more loyal buyers on Amazon? Do you want to create a mini website on Amazon? Then in this video, I am going to guide you a step by step on how you can create a mini website as known as Amazon Storefront for your brand that actually helps you to increase your conversions, increase your brand visibility, helps you to get more loyal buyers, and helps you to increase order value. Hi, my name is Mohsin and I help Amazon sellers and brands to grow on Amazon with my Amazon advertising and creative agency. Let me explain you what is exactly Amazon Storefront and who can take benefits from it. Amazon Storefront is a dedicated section from Amazon Marketplace where businesses of all sizes, whether you are a small startup or established brand, you can upload your products and showcase to the millions of customers worldwide. The thing you need to create the Amazon Storefront is a brand registry. With Amazon Brand Registry, you can create your branded digital storefront as known as mini website on Amazon. So what are the benefits of having an Amazon Storefront? Firstly, Storefront helps you to increase the visibility by help you to stand out in the crowded marketplaces and attract more customers. No other competitors are advertising on your storefront, and there is a chance to increase order value. Maybe a buyer came up to buy one thing and ended up buy other things too. Your buyers can simply visit your storefront again when they are ready to buy, and they can also follow your storefront as same as they follow someone on Instagram. So whenever you do something or upload a new product on your storefront, they notify it. Secondly, brand building. Your Amazon Storefront is a digital representation of your brand, allowing you to tell your story and build trust and lasting relationship with your customers. But the question is how you can design your Amazon Storefront that reflects your brand and engage with your customers. Easy to create a storefront on Amazon. Just choose a theme, customize your branding, showcase your product, and optimize for mobiles. But there is a catch. If you don't have a graphic design skill, then you should definitely hire someone to design for you. We have recently designed a storefront for one of our customers, which is Eco. To watch how we design storefronts for our customers, you can simply click on the I button or click the link below in the description to watch our design process video. Let's move to the laptop screen and I'm going to show you how to create a storefront that helps you to get more customers. Just sign in to Amazon Seller Central and click on stores, then manage stores. Then click on the create store for your brand, and here you go. You have a store setting. You can write your brand display name and upload your logo. After uploading, just swipe down and click on the next button. Select from various templates according to the storefront you have designed. In my case, I'm going with Mark. Then write page meta description and create page. You have a different sections to select from, and just drag and drop and design your home page layout according to the design you already have. You can simply drag and change the location of your sections. Now let's move to the upload part. We are uploading a page header. Now a shoppable image. What is shoppable image? You can upload an image and you add buttons so your customers directly buy from your button. Just click on the button and they are dragged to your Amazon listing. Now move other sections you already have designs. If you don't have watched our design process video for this brand, go click on the I button or the link in the description so you can check out. We already have all the designs. I'm just going to fast this process, so without wasting your time, I can show you the final look of the home page. After home page, you can check out the other pages uploading process too. The uploading of home page is almost done, and here is the final output of the home page.